Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to make a natural plastic bag. And it's sort of like plastic, but actually it's rubber, liquid latex rubber. And what I did was I took a bag. I'd already made these. It's a really pretty fabric. This one's no longer available, but it was called Eyes of the World. And it's a zippered bag that I use for bulk goods, and I'm painting it with rubber, as you can see. And after it dries, I've never done this before, but theoretically it should be an organic cotton on the outside or on the inside, and latex rubber on the outside. And I'm just going to put one coat like this on the outside. And what this is good for is sealing the bag like plastic does. So whenever I want to buy figs, for instance, and I don't want them to dry out, or I don't want to have to put them in some kind of a plastic container, then I can just put them in one of these natural bags. How long these will last, I don't know. Probably a long time. Oh, okay, so I just blew that. I just got a little bit of latex on the zipper. That is not good, I can tell you that for sure. Okay, I think it's okay. Yeah, don't get latex on the zipper. Okay, so I'm just going to keep going here until this side is completely covered. So this bag will be washable, and if you want the inner part washed better, you could just turn it inside out. The rubber needs to cure for at least a couple of weeks before it's exposed to water. The thicker it is, probably the longer it needs to cure, in my experience. This will be pretty thin, but still, latex rubber takes a long time to cure. Right now I'm wearing a pair of shoes that have 70 coats. This is just one coat. And it took like 2.5 months for those to completely cure. I'd love to change the world. But I don't know what to do. Ba-na-na-na. So I'll leave it up to you. Ba-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. That's the song of the day when you've got a lot of havoc in the world. So this is a dense fabric that hopefully that rubber is not going to seep through. But I did put a piece of cardboard inside of it that's the exact size of this, just in case. keep wanting to touch the end where there's that zipper I keep having to remind myself to not do that. If rubber gets in the zipper, it won't slide anymore, obviously. Not good at all. The other song that comes to mind would be Waiting on the World to Change. John, what's his name? Waiting for the world to change. How's the melody to that go? You know I keep waiting, waiting on the world to change. I keep on waiting, waiting, waiting on the world to change. Waiting on the world to change. Okay, there's one side painted. As you can see, this side is looks whiter because it's not as dry as this side. It'll take about 45 minutes, maybe an hour, for this to fully dry to the touch, and then I can flip it over and do the other side. Okay, there's the first side done. You can see it's shiny as compared to the non-painted side. So now I'll paint this side. And I'll use this for a little while and then I'll let you know later how it went. Thanks for joining me. Bye. Okay, well there you have it. A quote plastic bag made out of cotton and rubber, natural tree rubber, and a nylon zipper. It's not totally airproof, you know. I tried to blow it up. It doesn't hold air, but it kind of holds air, except for the zipper part, the air leaks. But yeah, to wash it, you just turn it inside out, and we'll see how it lasts. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye.